You having a blast?
Yeah.
Learning anything? You learning to put your feet on the pegs?
Yeah. In the morning, how to jump off the jump.
Good. Yeah. How's it going today?
Good.
You having fun? Learning anything?
Yeah.
What you learning? Like you can keep your feet on your pegs?
Yeah.
Yeah. You can keep your feet on your pegs more.
I can do anything that you say.
That's right.
Okay.
Having fun today?
Yes, sir.
Think we need to get you to the advanced class? No? You know, stick with learning the skill sets? Right on, dude. I'm glad you're having fun, buddy. Keep up the hard work.
Okay.
Is this your first time at the Ride Safe event?
No, sir.
How many years you been coming here?
3 years.
What do you think?
Been pretty fun.
Pretty fun?
Yes, sir.
What'd you learn so far?
Keep my legs stuck on a jump.
What you think about the facility?
Pretty nice.
Did you get to go on the Big Loop Trail?
Yes, sir.
How was that?
Fun.
Thank your parents every day, because one day you'll look back, you'll be like me, and the only thing you have is your memories with your parents. So I just wanted to share a verse. It's in Colossians chapter 3, verse 23. Work willingly at whatever you do, as though you were working for the Lord rather than for the people. Remember that the Lord will give you an inheritance as your reward, and that the master you are serving is Christ. That's pretty much him saying, everything you do, give it 100%. Everything you do with him, you give it your all.
Here, Daniel. All right, and then you can go back.